If Google Photos vanish tomorrow, would you lose every memory you have? I will show you step by step how to backup your entire Google Photos library to an external drive in just a few clicks. I have relied on Google Photos for nearly a decade, but one account hack or server issue could wipe out years of memories. Let's secure your photos once and for all, fast, free and without extra software. Why local backup matters? Offline access, account recovery issues, rare data loss. A local copy means offline access anytime, protection if you lose your Google account, and defense against rare but real data loss. Any external drive works. I am using a USB-C SSD for speed, but a regular portable hard drive or USB flash drive is fine. Here is step-by-step Google Takeout. Let's back everything up together right now. Open your favorite browser and head to takeout.google.com. That's Google's official data export tool. Choose what to export. The page shows every Google service you use, from log activity to Gmail, Drive, Maps, YouTube and much more. We only need photos. So let's scroll back to the top and first click deselect all at the very top to uncheck all products. This saves time and keeps your download tidy. A quick question: how many Google services do you use daily? Drop a guess in the comments. Now scroll down until you spot Google Photos. Somewhere around in the middle of all products, yeah, we find it here. Your photos and videos library since childhood, and check that box with a blue tick icon. Multiple formats include photos and videos in the original format. You uploaded them in JPG, PNG, MP4, etc. You can choose specific albums, but if you want to download every single photo and video, leave it at all photo albums selected. Choose your preferred library, whether it's your saved albums or photos sorted by year for a smaller backup. Maybe just your travel album. Use the checkboxes to pick exactly what you need. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. Now we are going to choose how you get the files through Google. You will see the options to send download link via email or have them uploaded to another cloud storage services like Dropbox, OneDrive and Box. For a hard drive backup, the simplest choice is send download link via email. That way Google emails you a link and you can save directly to your computer. You can also schedule repeat exports every 2 months for a year if you would like automatic backups. I recommend doing that if you shoot a lot of photos and videos and don't want to remember this process later. For a one-time export, keep export once enabled. Next up, pick the file type and size. Leave it as zip. That's the easiest to open on Windows or Mac. File size determines how Google splits your download. Do you have slower internet? Go with 2 GB so each file is manageable. But if you have a fast connection and lots of storage, 10 GB or even 50 GB keeps things neat. Finally, click Create Export to continue. Google will now prepare your archive of your entire Google Photos library that you have selected into downloadable zip files. This can take anywhere from a few hours or a few days, depending on how many memories you have got stored. Don't worry, you will get an email titled "Your Google data is ready to download" when it is done. While we wait for the archive, tell me in the comments what is the oldest photo in your Google Photos library. I found one of my very first Android phone from 2012. As I get this email within less than 1 minute, when you get the email, your Google data is ready to download. You will receive the content of your data from Google Photos. Here, click on Manage Google Takeout Request. It will open up a new page of summary as completed and provided a backup of data to download the link. Mine library size is 3.5 GB. Yours could be different. Click on Download to get the zip files. It once asks a confirmation of password of your Google account. Just put it down there. And once you do this, it will automatically start downloading as takeout zip file. Now once downloaded, simply plug your USB pen drive or hard drive or any SSD and extract them to the desired destination. which will make a copy of everything to your hard drive. Your photos will be neatly organized by album, year and month. And that's the entire setup. Deselect all, pick Google Photos, next step, email link, choose your file size and hit create export. Set it and forget it until that email arrives. That's it, your memories are safe. How many photos are in your Google Photos library? Drop a number in the comments. I am betting some of you are over 100,000. If this helped, give it a like and check my playlist for more Android, iPhone and PC tips.